26-year-old engineer charged in relation to the Bedward Gardens triple murder that claimed the life of reggae singer's son, Sanchez. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Major Investigation Division (MID) are reporting progress into their investigation of a triple murder in Bedward Gardens, August Town, St. Andrew, exactly a month ago, that claimed the life of a reggae singer's son, Sanchez. They say that they have arrested and charged a 26-year-old individual who goes by the name Kevin Wright, otherwise called Chigga, an engineer of Auguston, Kingston 7, with the murder of 3 men and the wounding of another. The police have stated that the suspect has been charged with wounding with intent, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Wright was charged on Saturday after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. Those that lost their life in the Bedward Gardens attack have been identified as 21-year-old Kevin Jackson, otherwise called Kids Fridays, 24-year-old Rashid Edwards, and 18-year-old Keanu Ray, otherwise called Brains, all of Bedward Gardens addresses. It is reported that at around 4:40 a.m. in the morning, a group of men were at a football field when Wright approached them and opened gunfire. 4 persons were shot and were transported to hospital, where Ray, Edwards, and Jackson succumbed to their injuries. Jackson is said to be the son of popular reggae singer Sanchez. The 4th person was admitted and treated. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.